No more cuts, man. You feel me? No more of this. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And like I told y'all in the last video, we was gonna be installing that Fender all in one day. So that's what we finna to do, you feel me? I know it's a lot I gotta do. It's gonna take me a little time. I ain't gonna make y'all sit through the whole thing because I don't want this video turn into like an hour and a half, 2 hour video of me just installing the Fender, you feel me? So I'm gonna just let y'all see like a couple parts, a couple pieces, what I do. Probably just like the beginning. Then towards the end, I'm gonna finish it off by myself. So, and then I'm gonna cut back on the camera and let y'all see where I'm at or what I've done and how I done and all that stuff. So yeah, before we get started though, y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. I'm trying to get to daily. If this going on my main channel, if it's on my second channel, I am going daily, you feel me? I've been dropping daily, even though I'm only getting like 5 views, 3 views, 2 views. It ain't really bothering me. I'm just grinding again, starting over. But yeah, like I said, this car's coming a long way. I still got a few more things I want to do with it before I'm able to send it to paint and do wheels and all that stuff. I still got to figure out, well, still got to get tires anyways for the wheels. And I want to know if it can be like paint corrected or chrome corrected, whatever it's called, something like that, you feel me? Because the chrome is peeling bad on them wheels. I got them put up right now and wrapped up and stuff, but the chrome is peeling really bad. Now, hopefully the next video, I should have something new coming to the car. Hopefully the next video. If not, the next video might be me picking up the cutlass. I don't know when I'm supposed to get that. But like I said, I don't want to rush that because I wanted to come out to where I could just get in it and drive it. But I'm finna go ahead and get ready to install this Fender. Let me get out the car, quit all this talking because I know y'all ready to see what the Fender gonna look like on the car. And I don't know if y'all watched the last video, but I told y'all this Fender got the light bar, a smaller light bar on the front part of the Fender. If y'all can help me find that trim for the passenger side, I need that trim so I can get that light for my passenger Fender. So I need the trim. If y'all can help me find the trim with the light hole, let me know, because I already found the light bar. But let me go ahead and get ready to install this Fender and I'll catch y'all in 1 second. So the first thing I do need to do is unhook this horn, because the horn is already on the older Fender, or the new Fender, I mean, new to us. But if y'all haven't seen it, this is the new Fender, and like I said, it comes with the light bar. If y'all can help me find this trim for the passenger side, please send it to my Instagram. My Instagram should be connected to my YouTube channel. But yeah, this side already got it. I'm gonna have to do some wiring and stuff, get a light bulb and all that stuff, so it'll actually work, you feel me, with the turn signal. I'm gonna end up hooking it up to this one, so it'll work with that. But the few bolts we need to get off is, I don't know if y'all can really see, there it go, 1, 2, 3. Well, this one ain't even on, but 1, 3. Yeah, so that one ain't even on, but it's alright. We'll figure it out. And then it should be 4 under here. 1, 2, 3. Or the 4th one. So I don't know if I showed that one. And then these is a couple in here. Yeah, it's a couple in here too. I think it's 2 of them, 3 of them maybe. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to work, man, so we can get this knocked out. I've been sweating all day. I need to get in the shower. Oh my gosh. Oh, I said 3 here. It's 4 here. Well, really, it should have been 5, but we're missing 1. So it's only 4. Alright, 1. Cannot lose these screws. I'm gonna let y'all watch for a little bit. Then when I get like closer to the end, I'ma finish it myself. But I forgot to tell y'all, this is one tool you gotta take off, and then you gotta take off. There's two of them on the hinge here. One, and then I think it's that one. Yeah, you gotta take that one off too. But there's two of them on this hinge that you gotta take off for the fender to come off. And then on the inside of the door, I forgot to show y'all this. I was in a rush really, trying to get this done quick. There's one right there, and then it's that bottom one, which is I'ma have to use that. No, I have no choice because I don't have the ratchet one on me. I think my pops took the ratchet one, but yeah, let me finish doing this. I just need to show y'all that real quick, just in case if y'all got stuck and was like, what else bolts am I missing? So yeah, it's them two. Alright, 3, last one on her. So that's for the horn. I need to get that off. I'll get all that off in a minute, but I need to disconnect this horn. Come on. There we go. Alright, so the horn is out. We're good on that. Let's go ahead and move back here real quick. Ooh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. We finna figure something out to where y'all can sit up and see me get come on, y'all stay. Get this one. Oh, wrong size. Yep. Go ahead and get this one off then. I think that one was the 15, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this one gotta come off. Yep. Alright, come on y'all. Come back with me real quick. Let me grab this 15. 14. What is this, 16 then? 14. 12. I don't know. I forgot which one it was. Okay, so it might have been that 16 then. Yep, it was. It was the 16. So I got it y'all wrong. It might be a 15 and the 16 just a little bit too loose. I don't have a 15. Nope. It'll be alright. We'll get it off anyways. But let's go ahead and go under the wheel well real quick. Oh. Put y'all over a little more. There we go. Ooh, my camera finna die too. I need to hurry this up so I can put y'all on the charger for a little bit. One. 2. Now the only reason why I didn't want to change the wheel wells is because it's a lot to it. It's a lot more bolts you gotta take off. I'd rather just change the fenders and leave the wheel wells under here. And plus my wheel wells is already cut. So if I ever needed to cut them, they already cut. So I'm just gonna leave it, you feel me? Not even deal with the headache. If I want to end up changing the wheel wells out later, I can. It's not a big deal. It's just right now, I didn't really want to, you feel me? So just leave it like this. Plus it's a quicker install when I just leave the wheel well, you feel me? It's a little quicker of an install. Alright, got all 4 of those out. I think should be all 4. Alright, let's move back up. Ooh, gonna break my watch. Sit down. Break my watch, dog. My bad, y'all. My bad. Trying to sit y'all up. That's not gonna work. Maybe I just turn y'all. Hold on. This mug's stuck. Shoot. Alright. Just sit y'all like this and let y'all see. Oh my gosh. Nah, this is crazy. Shoot, bro. Yeah, y'all need to take this off too, because as y'all can see, it's part of the fender, so that got to come off too. And we got all 4 of them down there. Now, the last few I need to get is right here. Then there's one right down there. Y'all can see. Let me try and zoom in. Right down there. So I'm gonna time myself so y'all can see how long this will probably take. So it's 4:44. Make a wish. Well, I'm gonna come back to y'all as soon as I get these off and I put the new fender on. We're gonna see how long it actually takes me. So let's make this a little competition. Y'all hit that like button for me real quick. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, we finally got it off. I told y'all the time too. Let me see what time it is. Where's my phone? $6:22. It's over an hour, about an hour and 40. But here you go. I took this piece off because I didn't realize how high it was. It's supposed to be down a little more, so I went ahead and took it off. But yeah, I need to find the passenger side, this one, so we can install that. I went ahead and put the flat piece on both sides. So I'm gonna go show y'all the other side. But I went ahead and put that on too. I don't know if y'all could really see. Yep. Put everything back on. Hooked up the horn. Let me test it out. Oh, my battery off. I forgot. Let me put my battery back on. Forgot to unhook the battery. I need to tighten that back. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Sitting perfectly flush. You feel me? Perfectly. And the little turn signal looks so good. Cause my door not shut all the way. Let's show y'all this side. Went ahead and put the flap up. I need to get 2 more pins so it'll sit better. But we got that flap up too. Yep, and it's gonna sit flush. I don't want to shut it yet because I still gotta tighten up the battery. But y'all see the headliner. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Fender, how y'all feel about it. I feel like it came out really dope. It looked good. You feel me? Now we just need paint, and I need to get the other trim piece for the passenger side. But if y'all new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. I'm probably finna dry this real quick today. 6:30. I'll take it out for a drive, then I'll bring it back. Yeah, so like I said, that's gonna be it for this one. Like, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Fender, how y'all feel about it. I think it came out really dope. I need to put the other one up, the old one. I'm gonna end up selling it to scrap and get like $5-10 off of it. Probably like probably less than that for real. But yeah, we finally got the fenders on. No more cuts on the fenders, you feel me? Let me show y'all. I don't even think y'all realized that. No more cuts, man. You feel me? No more of this. We sitting regular again. Back to the normal box Chevy. No more cuts, man. So yeah, we got just about all of the body done on this car. I think that's all of it. I don't think it's nothing else for the body to be done. Let me think. Got the front end, got the rear end. Oh, the only thing that needs to be fixed on the body of this car now is my trunk, because my trunk, it looked like somebody tried to break in it. So I need to get my trunk fixed. But other than that, this car is complete. Gotta get this door panel. Like I said, I got a surprise coming. It should be in tomorrow. Hopefully it get in tomorrow. So I got that coming too, so I want y'all to stay tuned for that. What else? I need to get my dash. I'm building the center console, and I'm building an extra piece to go on my rear deck. And then my seatbelt thing to go on the passenger side. But other than that, this car is ready, bro. This car is ready to go. I can't wait to see it fully finished with the paint and the wheels, and we start going to a few car shows like local, because I ain't really got nothing to pull this with, like throw it on the trailer. I ain't got none of that right now, no truck or nothing. But yeah, this car is coming together. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. It's gonna be it for this one. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Fender, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.